Soon we're going to start the next stage of this. Copper wire, circular protractor, wooden frame. It's rodent coil o'clock. But I'm not making that video right now, that'll be the next one. Sent me the same video today, and I'm realizing how easy this is to recreate. We got mirrored tiles, we got balloons, and I give you the speaker condom. Yes, Bluetooth speaker, passive subwoofers on the sides, and we got a balloon stretched over it. This is to take the mirrored tiles, attach them to the balloon that's stretched over an open air cavity right above a speaker, and then shine a laser pointer on it while it's playing sound or frequency. I tried to get a laser pointer that was just a flashlight and a laser pointer, but we're going to have to use this because Big Box Store was out of the other one. Rigorous scientific testing? Not really. I determined that I need about a 5x5 grid of these things. So we folded it this way by 5, and we folded it that way by 5. Come to realize these things are so small you need a damn X-Acto knife. But I don't have an X-Acto knife, so we're going to have to use a knife. Come on. There. Whoa! Success! Yes, okay. Alright, that'll work. There we go. 5x5 grid. How cool is that? Oh, it looks like it's going to go on there just for... Dadgummit, focus. You don't want to focus? Okay, fine. Don't... Oh, now you focus. Right. Okay. And very fiddly little tiny bits here. Alright. And come on. Right in the center, please. Sticky stuff. Yes. Sticky stuff. Do your business. Well, that is definitely working. Alright. I have to go get another phone to play it. Focus. That gum autofocus, man, it has problems. Well, here's a unique view of it. There's some music I wrote with the cymatic patterns for it playing on my shirt. How's that? That's pretty neat, man. It's mostly getting the bass tones, but yeah, this does work. Oh, that was cool. Effective test. I like it. Switch it up a little bit. Let's try some solid tones. I do want to point out that the mirrored disc is many little pieces, so depending on where I'm exactly aiming the laser is going to depend on if you see it refracting across multiple tiles or not. So right now I've got 3 points of reflection. This just happens to be random 71 hertz. Let's go. Oh, that's cool. Shit, I like that. We'll go up a little. Oh, no way. 180. Okay, let's actually dial something in. How about? Not 18. Yeah, that's not even going to respond to that. It's too low. Let's see here. 174.0. Oh, okay. To 85. Yeah, that's kind of getting above the passive sub's ability to respond. Let's go back down. 68 hertz. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Okay. No, stop it. Man, 63 is all over the place. And the speaker shut off. Some of you may remember from my previous Mad Science video, I had that problem with the other one. That was actually the twin of the other one that was in the other video, but it only had 40% battery. I thought it would have lasted longer than that, but apparently not. Let me plug it in. Hang on. Now the bloody thing is plugged in. Please work. Okay. We got laser light. Let's try 87 hertz. Ooh. Cool. It is 111 hertz. Let's do a sweep. Start frequency. Let's do 60 hertz. End frequency. Let's do 120. Duration. Let's do a minute. On second thought, I went back and made that a 30-second sweep. Man, trying to get one phone to focus on the screen of another phone is ridiculous. Okay, let me make sure these are both in the shot. Okay, let's go. That looks freaking cool. Oh, that's cool looking. Okay, hang on. Let me stop that. Let me do a different sweep pattern. 1 second. Okay, let's try it from 55 to 180 hertz with a 20-second duration. Okay, let me adjust that again. All right, 52.75. Let's do a 2-second duration and loop it. Oh, hell yeah. Now that's just entertaining as shit right there. Man. I want that playing on my wall at night when I'm trying to sleep. Oh, that's cool. I can do a little manual frequency manipulation here. Those are really awesome shape. 61 hertz. Let's just stop looking like anything. Oh, cool, okay. Oh, go back to the 2 circles. Where's the 2 circles? Well, I am definitely going to be doing some more testing on that, but I hope that was as much fun for you as it was for me.